Let's get into your Tuesday forecast. We're expecting lots of cloud overhead with a thick layer of high and mid-level cloud moving over parts of the Northern Cape and over the interior of South Africa. This is due to a trough in the lower levels of the atmosphere, still trying to bring in some moisture for South Africa. Due to instability values being high enough, a few isolated thunderstorms will develop over parts of the Karoo, becoming scattered over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as Lesotho and the southeastern areas of the Free State. It's a very slight chance of thunderstorms developing over parts of the Highveld and northwest, with a few isolated thunderstorms likely to bubble up along the eastern escarpment from late afternoon into Tuesday evening. Mainly cloudy at first along the coast of the Western Cape on Tuesday morning, later becoming partly cloudy and a comfortable 24 degrees expected in Cape Town. Hot over the interior with temperatures soaring to 30 degrees. An onshore southwesterly wind expected along the southern coastline, temperatures in the mid-20s and peaking at a high of 25 in Plettenberg Bay. And then a west-northwesterly wind picking up in the Karoo. It's also going to be a hot day where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. After a hot afternoon, isolated thunderstorms expected to bubble up over the interior and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, with a northeasterly wind blowing fresh along the coast as well as between Richards Bay and Port Shepstone. We're expecting a hot and humid day for Durban with a high of 30 degrees, and then isolated thunderstorms expected from the afternoon and becoming scattered into the evening. Moving to Mpumalanga, we're expecting temperatures above 30 degrees in the Lowveld, extremely hot with a high of 35 degrees in Skukuza. Cloudy at first over parts of Limpopo, later becoming partly cloudy, but sunny in the Bushveld with temperatures in the mid-30s. It's a dry day for northwest, a northerly wind blowing, temperatures above 30 degrees and later becoming partly cloudy over the southern and eastern areas. Runaway fires also at risk in the Northern Cape due to a fresh west-northwesterly wind picking up the afternoon, blowing moderate at times over the extreme southern areas, but fresh in the Karoo, where we also do have a high of fire danger in place. Very isolated thunderstorms likely over the southern and eastern areas of the Free State after a hot afternoon with a high of 33 degrees in Bloemfontein. Another hot and unfortunately dry day for Gauteng with a high of 32 in Pretoria, northerly wind blowing dusty at times, and 30 in Johannesburg. Looking ahead into Wednesday, similar conditions expected with partly cloudy skies and isolated thunderstorms moving over parts of the Karoo, the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Into Thursday, partly cloudy skies for the coast of South Africa. Thunderstorms expected over KwaZulu-Natal and remaining hot and dry over northeastern South Africa. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.